Rust spots on your metal roof can seriously mess up your home's look and even cause leaks if you don't handle them right away. So, first off, grab a wire brush and scrub those rust spots like you mean it. Getting rid of all the flaky stuff is key. After that, you want to slap on some rust converter or primer. This stuff stops the rust from spreading and preps the surface for paint. Don't skip this step because paint alone won't stick well or last long on rusty metal. Once that's dry, pick a good metal roof paint. Make sure it's designed for outdoor metal surfaces. And paint over the treated areas. Try to do this on a dry day so everything dries properly and lasts longer. If you spot any deep rust pits, fill them with a metal filler before painting to keep the roof smooth and protected. And hey, check your roof regularly, especially after storms or heavy rain, to catch new rust spots early before they turn into bigger problems. It's not just about looks. This maintenance helps your roof last way longer and saves you money down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make with rust spots on metal roofs is ignoring them until they get huge, which just makes repairs cost way more. Fix it by checking your roof every few months and dealing with rust as soon as you see it. Another problem is skipping the rust converter or primer step and going straight to painting. Paint won't stick or protect well without prepping the surface, so always use a rust converter first. Finally, some folks pick the wrong type of paint that isn't made for metal roofs or outdoor use, causing it to peel fast and leaving the rust exposed again. Make sure to get a high-quality, weather-resistant metal roof paint. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making it way easier to get your metal roof fixed right the first time. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great spot to find solid work and grow your business without the usual hassle.